we can't let St. Patrick's Day slide by unnoticed. So we're celebrating this holiday the best way we know how, lots and lots of green. We're pulling a few Studio 5 foodie friends to get a taste of their green traditions, and maybe they'll inspire you to go green too. First up, Wendy Paul, we're gonna go green. What's it gonna be?
Yes, we're gonna do dessert. Ice cream.
I mean, if we must.
If we must, and we're not gonna just do ice cream, we're gonna do pistachio ice cream, but we're making it better than ever, okay? Better than ever.
I told you, I think we both share that ice cream is kind of our love language.
It is, like I think I ate ice cream every day I was in New Zealand, but we walked a lot.
That was a vacation, though.
We're like,
yeah.
Hey, look, there's another ice cream store. And literally, we would stop and get a scoop of ice cream. So ice cream, I do love it.
Let's make it.
So this is going to be a no churn. So you don't even have to have an ice cream machine.
Just keeps getting better and better.
Anybody can do it.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to start with whipping cream. So I whipped till stiff peaks. See how stiff that is? Whipping cream, about 16 ounces. Then you're gonna do a can of sweetened condensed milk, and that's where you're gonna get your sugar from, okay? So it's not—
The sweetness comes from that.
Yeah, the sweetness comes from that. Also gives it a really nice soft consistency. And then this is like the special ingredient.
This was the game changer right here.
This was the game changer. Pistachio nut butter. Are you kidding me? I think I'm just gonna order this by like
the tub, the gallon.
The gallon, the box, whatever.
Bathe in it, do what we must.
Because I wanted to up the flavor. So most pistachio ice creams have a cream base with just the nuts, but I wanted to expand on the nut flavor, okay?
So we're adding how much of this?
The whole thing.
Oh, because we can.
Because we can. And I actually added half of it, tasted it, and I was like, nope, it needs a little more. So
the whole thing goes in.
Whole thing goes in.
May I? May I be the stirrer?
Yeah, I was like, do you want to lick it?
I mean,
okay, we're gonna stir it. We're gonna stir it. We're gonna fold it though. So let's fold it with the spatula.
Folding.
And then one more thing I'm adding to this is a little surprise, just a dash of cinnamon. Okay.
Oh, hello.
So as you fold that, you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Look at that.
30 seconds left. Tell us where we go from here.
So we're gonna do this, dump most of that in, keep folding. You're doing great.
Don't stop, you got it.
Don't stop, you got it. And so you're folding this so that it doesn't lose the air of that whipped cream. That's gonna give the ice cream a nice thick texture as you scoop it.
Okay.
Okay, once you're done, you're gonna place it in a dish. You could do like a bread dish, an 8x8. This is like a 7x11.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna put it in the freezer, cover it, about 6 hours or so. All right.
It's already so pretty. 6
so
hours.
Pretty, 6 hours to 8 hours to overnight, and then you get this delicious ice cream right here.
It's green, but it's naturally beautifully green.
It's naturally beautiful. Now, if you wanted to add coloring, you totally could. A couple drops, and it would give you a darker green, which you might want. But I kind of liked the natural green color.
Okay, as we go to break, I'm gonna try the ice cream because Wendy begged me to.
Okay, I'm gonna do a couple quick things though. You're gonna still try it. A little olive oil, okay?
Wendy, I've never had olive oil on my ice cream.
Okay, you're gonna love it. And a little honey. Look at that.
Okay, as I try this, Wendy, thanks for playing along.
You're welcome.